One of the most important festivals celebrated by Muslims around the world. This special occasion marks the strong faith and devotion of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam towards Allah.
Good morning, principal, teachers and my dear friends. I'm here to talk about Eid ul-Adha. It's a special festival called the Festival of Sacrifice. Eid ul-Adha is not only about sacrificing animals but also about sacrificing our own wishes and egos.
It's the willingness of Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam to sacrifice his son Ismail alayhi salam as an act of obedience to Allah. Now, do you know what is Hajj? Hajj is a pilgrimage to Makkah required once in a lifetime for Muslims who are able. Everyone wears simple clothes, rich or poor, king or common, everyone is equal before the Creator. Commemorating Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam's willingness to sacrifice his son.
Let's enjoy this happy day. Eid Mubarak, come on, for this day. Feeling so good, smiles and greetings everywhere. Eid Mubarak to everyone out there. Allah, thank you for this day.
Enjoyed all the programs? Yes, right? Yeah, we have celebration for Eid ul-Adha. May Allah Almighty bless all of us. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Which month is in the Islamic calendar? Anybody knows? Dhul Hijjah, right? Yes, Eid is for 3 days, right? One day also is a holiday. Happy? Yes, happy? When you are celebrating Eid, remember to make dua for all the poor people around the world. Eid Mubarak to all of you all. Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum.